So pods crashing is a pretty normal event when you're developing any application that runs on Kubernetes. And sometimes it's the infrastructure, sometimes it's the application. There's a number of factors that could play into this. And we're going to look at a command that can just quickly tell us if we need to invest any more time debugging our app. So if somebody had said to me, hey, my app isn't running or there's a problem, first I'm going to look at the pods. I'm going to see that there is a status, but there's not a whole lot of information about it. And so we are going to find a helpful command at the namespace level to help us debug where the issue might be. Now we've got a few commands here. We can troubleshoot pending pods, we can troubleshoot container restarts. In this case, we're going to go look for failed pods. And we're just going to paste that command. And it's going to give us a list of whether there are any restarts associated with the app. We care about those because typically that's an application issue. But more importantly, if there was a message or what that message was when that pod was killed, and any sort of explanation as well. So let's take a look at what it's doing. Again, this is a nice quick one. So we get a list of the pods and we only look for the ones that have a status of failed. Some of the other commands look for a different status. Here we're just focused on failed. And then we just take that information and we pipe it out to JQ. So we get it all in JSON format, pipe it out to jQuery. And the only interesting thing about this command that is useful for other people that might be newer to Kubernetes is that we actually pass a key value pair of exit code explanations. This is just a little map so that when we see the exit code from the JSON, we can actually present a little more of a helpful response, such as pod terminated by sigkill, possible OOM, or a graceful termination. Those are all good normal things. In our particular case, we also had a message that said it was a node shutdown, which is normal for our environment because we run preemptible nodes and they restart all the time. So that's a normal exit. At this point, we wouldn't want to do anything else because we know that the node was just preempting and the pod's going to restart again. That's it. That's just a quick little command that helps us learn more about why the pod had actually failed.